Hi guys, let's do this. Get ready with me. I'm going to have Korean barbecue today. Fun, right? So I have this thing on. I don't know if it matches my outfit. I don't want to go like all too red. Damn, I'm so nervous. No, definitely not. That's too much. First, I'm using Aquaphor clear lotion from SK2. We'll use the Radical New Age one. I'm using the Wet n Wild. Oh my god. Like, my brows haven't been done in like 7 years, so I'm using Anastasia Brow Gel Professional. Let's go in with some Bobbi Brown Enriched Face Base. Just a little bit. Sometimes it feels so pointless. I think my goal is to creating content, filming, editing, backlight priming filter, Bare Minerals and NARS Radiant Foundation. I'm just gonna spritz it with Tatcha Luminous Setting Spray and the Mario Badescu spray. Oh, it looks good, if I do say so myself. I think we're gonna go for a real like simple look today because I am super late. Haha. I can't find my tissue, so I'm using a sock to wipe off the excess on my thing. This is from Etude House, I think. Oh, so good. In the video I have with Maddie, like, I did not blend it out as much as I should have, but thank god I went in with that powder and it got like blended out. So I'm gonna use the tip, doing the contour, and then using the back to blend out the highlight, and then bringing that contour inwards. Oh my god, I had a dream. It was intense. There were stairs, there were people trying to catch us, we were running. Okay, I'm stressed and I'm anxious. And also, like, I really like being able to document stuff. So when I look back, I like being able to see like, oh yeah, that was when I did that video on that day, and looking back I can like go exactly to whatever I'm talking about. Where's my ColourPop highlighter? I'm so fucking messy. Where is it? Okay, I can't find it. So I'm gonna use from City Color this cream one. Powder. Press it in and buff it out. That's a lot of powder on this side. And now I'm excited to use this new thing. If I can find it. Fuck! I found it. This is the Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. Rose Gold Retro. I'm gonna pop that here. Take this brush and put it where I want it. I'm gonna take this Beauty Blender. Clean up the edge here. Benefit Rocketeer. We'll go in with all these three. I can't find my fucking eyelash glue, so we'll use this new one from House of Lashes. Oh my god, I'm late. Look, I'm wearing these heels so I can like pat people on the head like I'm their mother. No, that doesn't work. Because it makes my eyes look yellow now. Like I'm a fucking crazy person, which I am. I hate myself. Spray some perfume and walk into it. I'll do 2 pumps. 1, 2. Now I'm gonna stick this there. Fuck. Ah! Fuck! Whew. Curl my lashes. I'm not gonna curl that side yet. Putting on Sweatproof mascara. That looks fucking terrible. Like cockroach legs. Gonna go with this. My hair will sort itself out. I'll go in with this Tatcha Luminous Spray. I don't want to go with this. Everything you do in a rush is worse and will make you slower, bitch. Oh, that's there. Like, I'm being choked. Is that better? Sure, that's better. And then we'll go in with this for some shimmer. Cool. Oh my god! Now I have to check the weather. Fuck, it gets cold, so I have to wear this. But now I'm gonna poop. Bye, thanks for watching.